Here we are, YouTube. The weekend of my younger son's wedding. We're all hooked up. Got the camper hooked up here. Been working on this thing for the last 2 days. Getting the truck set. We have the booze, the soda, the wine, the beer, all loaded into this truck right here. And I do say I think half a ton to a ton overweight because we're sagging in the back here. Even with my weight distribution hitches on, they're bending a little more than they ever have. This is the day before my younger son's wedding. Rehearsal dinner tonight in Hagerstown, Maryland. Heading to Yogi Jellystone Park in Williansport, Maryland for 4 days. That way I don't have to travel an hour and a half each way after the rehearsal dinner tonight and after the wedding tomorrow. I'm just going to stay down there and enjoy it. I did get everything hooked up. We're all hooked. All the lights are working. The tires are at the right pressure on both sides of the trailer and both sides of the truck. Lug nuts are torqued on the trailer at 100 foot-pounds. All the doors are locked. Everything's tightened up. We are ready to roll. We'll see you down there, folks. So we're here at Jellystone. Light drizzle and rain coming down. But we're set up. Got a nice spot here on the end. Check it out. Picnic table. Not too many people here. The whole row is empty here. I'm the only one in this row. A couple stragglers up there, a couple other rows. This is great. I'll be here for 4 days. Yeah, this rain just doesn't want to stop. It's been raining all week. Frederick is flooded. I'm sure hoping this wedding reception in the field is gonna be okay. I heard they got another tent, so now they're having 2 tents. But here's my setup. Got the electric plugged in. I got the old EMS. With surge protection. Everything's looking good here. 123 volts, 1A, 60 hertz. E0, no codes, looking good. I put up these swimming pool things. What the hell they call those? On each corner, because I've hit my head so many times, and this has really helped prevent me from hitting my head. Got the soar set up. First time using the soar stuff here. Every other time I had just electric and water. Here's my water setup. I got a pressure gauge. We're at 40 psi. Get the hose running through a filter and up into the city water connection. So now I got to get cleaned up and head over to this rehearsal. For now, we are good. Here we are set up in our spot at Jellystone Park in Williansport, Maryland. The wedding is over. It was a great rehearsal dinner, a great reception, a great wedding, and a great reception. Everyone had a great time. Got to see a lot of old people, relatives, friends I haven't seen in a while. Good time at Jellystone Park. I'll be here another night, leaving tomorrow. Okay, we're leaving Jellystone Park, heading home. It was a great 4 days down here. Give you a little tour of the park here real quick before I leave. A little deserted, early in the year yet. I'm all hitched up and ready to go. This is a beautiful park though. Very clean, very well maintained. The only thing I don't like so far is they use a lot of Roundup, killing weeds in the driveway and around the cottages. It's just ridiculous how much Roundup they use here. So you might want to bring your own drinking water. They have a nice dog pound here, canine corral. Let the dogs run loose. A lot of nice cottages down here. Lots of cottages. There's a whole line of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, actually 6 restrooms. And right on the other side they have 4 showers, I believe. Nice clean facilities. We're approaching the camp store. And the canteen is down there. Not open yet, it appears. Then we got a nice big swimming pool and water park right behind the camp store here. Yeah, there's the canteen. I guess they sell a lot of ice cream in there. And here's the old water slide and a swimming pool. A lot of seating. Right now it's Monday morning. Probably about 8:30 or 9. No activity at all. There's only a few campers here. It's still the middle of May. Not even Memorial Day weekend yet. As you can see, there's only one camper there. But I bet you in the summer this place is just jam-packed. If I had a couple kids and wanted to go on a little vacation, I'd definitely consider bringing them here because there's a lot to do. They have horseshoe pits, volleyball. They have a jump pad the kids could jump on, the playground. All kinds of good stuff for the kids. 2 swimming pools, 1 kiddie pool, water slide. Probably a lot cheaper than going to Six Flags or Busch Gardens for a few days. There's the old Rockwood. Getting ready to pull out. Yep, I'm all packed up. I need to check my lights. It's the last thing. Everything's locked up, put away. Alright, so we made it home. It's time to unhook